Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning Algarve region of Portugal to explore the Club Med Da Balaia. This all-inclusive resort is perched atop the iconic red cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Let's dive into what makes this four-star paradise a must-visit destination for families and couples alike. Let's start with the accommodations. Club Med Da Balaia offers a range of room options to suit every traveler's needs. The classic rooms are cozy and comfortable, featuring modern decor and all the essentials you'd expect from a high-end resort. These rooms typically offer garden or pool views, perfect for those who love a bit of greenery. Moving up the ladder, we have the superior rooms. These bad boys are a step above, offering more space and potentially a balcony or terrace to soak in those gorgeous sea views. Now, if you're feeling fancy, the suites are where it's at. While details are a bit limited, we can imagine these luxurious spaces featuring separate living areas, premium amenities, and panoramic sea views that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. All rooms come equipped with air conditioning, Wi-Fi, TV, minibar, and a safe box. Because let's face it, we all need a place to stash our secret snack stash. The resort caters to families too, with room layouts designed to accommodate up to 3 or 4 guests, depending on the category. While exact room sizes aren't disclosed, you can expect standard upscale amenities consistent with a 4-star all-inclusive resort. Just remember, folks, size isn't everything. It's how you use the space that counts. Now let's talk grub. Club Med Da Balaia knows how to keep your taste buds dancing. The main restaurant is a buffet-style wonderland overlooking the sea and pool areas. Imagine piling your plate high with international cuisine while gazing out at the sparkling Atlantic. It's like dinner and a show, folks. They've got everything from Portuguese specialties like pastéis de nata, those heavenly custard tarts, to global dishes that'll take your taste buds on a world tour. And for the little ones, there's a baby corner where you can whip up some gourmet purees. Because even tiny humans deserve fancy food. If you're feeling a bit more upscale, the Vasco Gourmet Lounge is where it's at. This place focuses on gourmet Portuguese flavors, serving up specialties like braised vegetables and, you guessed it, more of those creamy pastéis de nata tarts. Because let's be honest, you can never have too many of those. And let's not forget about the bars. You've got 2 pool bars, one for those seeking peace and quiet, and another for the post-swim loungers. The Amalia Bar in the center of the resort is perfect for family-friendly sips. The best part? It's all included in your package, so drink up, buttercup. Speaking of pools, Club Med Da Balaia has got you covered. While they're a bit coy about the exact sizes and depths, we know there are multiple pools to choose from. The main pool is conveniently located near the tennis courts, perfect for a refreshing dip after a match. But the real gem is the Zen pool, camouflaged by pine trees and overlooking the flying trapeze area. Yes, you heard that right, flying trapeze. More on that later, folks. These pools aren't just for swimming. They're social hubs with bars offering cocktails that'll make you forget all about your day job. And let's not forget about the beach. The resort is perched above Maria Luisa Beach, a stretch of blonde sand that's quintessentially Algarve. While details on water sports are a bit hazy, it's safe to assume you can get your aquatic adrenaline fix here. Just imagine wiggling your toes in that warm sand, cocktail in hand, watching the waves crash against those dramatic red cliffs. It's like Mother Nature's own IMAX theater, folks. Now let's talk activities because Club Med Da Balaia is not a place for couch potatoes. First up, we've got golf. This resort is a golfer's paradise, offering an all-inclusive golf school access and proximity to some of the Algarve's most prestigious courses. So whether you're a pro or someone who thinks a birdie is just a small feathered friend, they've got you covered. But wait, there's more. Ever fancied yourself as a circus performer? Well, now's your chance with the flying trapeze area. Just don't blame us if you quit your day job to join the circus after this. For the less aerially inclined, there's tennis, archery, and a fitness center. While details on the fitness center are scarce, you can bet your bottom dollar it's got all the gear you need to work off those pastéis de nata. And let's not forget about the Cinque Mon Spa. This place is all about holistic treatments that'll have you feeling more zen than a Buddhist monk on vacation. We're talking massages, facials, saunas, steam rooms, the works. Just remember to book in advance, folks. Your muscles will thank you later. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, Club Med Da Balaia has got you covered. This place is a kiddie paradise, catering to children from as young as 4 months old. Can I get a hallelujah from all the parents out there? While specific details on the kids' clubs are a bit sparse, you can expect daily activities that'll keep the rugrats entertained while you sneak off for a cocktail or 3. From what we gather, there are programs for different age groups, ensuring that whether your kid is still in diapers or rolling their eyes at you, they'll find something to do. And let's be real, happy kids mean happy parents, and happy parents mean, well, you know where I'm going with this. But what about when you want to venture beyond the resort? Well, you're in luck because the Algarve region is packed with attractions. Just a short drive away, you've got Faro Old Town, about 30 kilometers from the resort. It's a historic city center that's perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots of quaint streets and old-world charm. For the marine life enthusiasts, Zoo Marine Algarve is about 15 kilometers away. It's a marine animal park that's great for families, because who doesn't love watching dolphins show off? If you're into the glitz and glam, Vila Moura Marina is just 10 kilometers away. It's a hub of shopping, dining, and yachting that'll make you feel like $1 million, even if your bank account disagrees. And for the golf addicts, there are several renowned courses around the Vale do Lobo and Quinta do Lago regions. Just don't blame us if you spend more time on the greens than with your family. Now, let's talk about what makes Club Med Da Balaia stand out from the crowd. First off, that location is hard to beat. Perched atop those iconic red cliffs, you're getting views that'll make your heart skip a beat. It's like being in a postcard, folks. The all-inclusive nature of the resort is another big plus. We're talking meals, drinks, activities, the works. No need to constantly reach for your wallet here. The family-friendly atmosphere is a huge draw too. From babies to grandparents, everyone's catered for. And let's not forget about that golf school access. For golf enthusiasts, this is like Christmas come early. When it comes to events and conferences, Club Med Da Balaia has got you covered. While details are a bit thin on the ground, it's safe to assume they've got facilities to host everything from corporate retreats to weddings. Just imagine exchanging vows with those red cliffs and the Atlantic as your backdrop. Talk about a picture-perfect moment. Now, let's dish some dirt on the guest experiences. While we don't have specific anecdotes, the overall vibe from reviews is pretty positive. Guests rave about the friendly staff, the family-friendly atmosphere, and those golf facilities. The stunning location and views seem to be a constant highlight. However, like any resort, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some guests have noted that the food variety can be a bit limited, especially during longer stays. And during peak seasons, it can get a bit crowded, with some noise from entertainment events. But hey, that's the price of popularity, folks. In terms of booking, you've got options. You can book directly through the Club Med website or through third-party sites like Booking.com. Sometimes you can snag some sweet deals, especially if you're booking off-season. Just keep an eye on those cancellation policies. They can vary depending on when and how you book. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.